Automation Hire helps businesses save time, capture more leads, and scale faster using AI-powered automation. Tell me what you'd like to automate, and I'll show you how we can transform it.
Are you an N8TME expert, Zapier expert, advertisement expert, Make.com specialist? Then register today.
In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I went from zero idea to building a live AI automation directory website, automationhire.co.uk, based entirely on real market demand from the last 30 days. No guessing, no random ideas, just pure data-driven execution. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to follow the same process.
I'd like to order.
The tools are everywhere. Make.com, NAT, Zapzoo, everyone has access to the same capabilities. But here's the real problem. The challenge isn't capability. It's getting the right clients, consistently. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start scaling, visit automationhire.co.uk.
How I built Automation Hire with Claude and AI automation. I've been working in AI automation for a while now, and one thing kept coming up. Businesses wanted to automate, but they had no idea where to find someone they could actually trust to do it. At the same time, talented automation experts, people who genuinely knew Make.com, N8N, Zapier, AI agents, they were struggling to get in front of the right clients consistently. There was a gap, and I decided to close it. The idea was simple. Build a dedicated directory, not a generic freelance marketplace, not a race to the bottom on price, a focused, verified platform specifically for AI automation professionals in the UK. A place where businesses could find experts fast and where experts could build a real pipeline of quality clients. That became automationhire.co.uk. Here's where it gets interesting. I didn't build this the traditional way. I use Claude Anthropic's AI as my primary thinking and building partner throughout the entire process. First, I described my vision to Claude, not in technical terms, just in plain language, what the platform needed to do, who it was for, what problem it solved. Claude helped me turn that rough idea into a clear site structure, the pages, the user flows, the categories, the copy. Then I used Claude to write every piece of content on the site, the home headline, the category descriptions, the how it works section, the provider listings, all drafted with Claude, refined through conversation until it felt right. Claude also helped me think through the UX. Where should the search filters go? What information does a business need to see before they trust an expert? What makes a listing feel credible versus generic? These aren't just design questions, they're trust questions. And having Claude as a thinking partner meant I could stress test every decision before a single line of code was written. Now, I want to be honest, Claude is extraordinarily capable, but it works best when you know what you want and you're willing to iterate. It's not magic, it's a conversation. The quality of what comes out depends entirely on the clarity of what goes in. The more specific I was about the problem, the better the output. That's a skill in itself, learning to prompt well, learning to push back, learning when to take Claude's suggestion and when to say, not quite, try again. Once the site was live, the next question was, how do I automate the operations behind it? Because a directory is only valuable if it stays current, responds fast, and delivers a great experience without me manually managing every moving part. So here's what I'm building out now. First, automated lead matching. When a business submits a project request, an AI agent processes the brief, matches it against verified providers by specialization, location, and budget, and sends personalized match notifications without me touching it. Second, provider onboarding. When an expert submits a listing, an N8N workflow triggers automatically. It validates the details, sends a confirmation email, adds them to the CRM, and flags them for review. What used to take hours now takes seconds. Third, I'm building an AI phone agent for inbound inquiries. A customer calls, the agent handles the conversation, captures what they need, logs it to the CRM, and sends a follow-up, fully automated, zero-drop calls. Fourth, weekly digest automation. Every Thursday, a Make.com scenario pulls the latest provider listings, new blog posts, and automation trends, compiles them into a formatted email, and sends it to over 3,200 subscribers hands-free. what I want you to take from this is not just what I built, it's how I built it. Claude removed the barrier between idea and execution. I didn't need a full development team to think through the architecture. I didn't need a copywriter for every page. I didn't need a consultant to map out the user journey. I had a conversation, and the platform emerged from that conversation. And the automation layer means the platform scales without me scaling with it. Every new expert who lists, a business that submits a brief, every email subscriber, the system handles it. That's the real value of combining AI thinking tools like Claude with workflow automation tools like Make.com and N8N. You stop being the bottleneck in your own business. If you're a business spending hours on tasks a machine could handle, Automation Hire is where you find the expert to fix that. If you're an automation specialist who's built real skills and wants a consistent pipeline of quality clients, Automation Hire is where you get found. And if you're watching this thinking, I want to build something like this, start with Claude, describe your idea, have the conversation. You'll be surprised how fast it moves from concept to reality. Automation Hire, the UK's trusted directory for AI automation experts.
Hello, Lily from Automation Hire, the UK's trusted directory for AI automation experts. What can I do for you today?
I would like your experts to build the same automation system that you have for me too.
Tired of juggling multiple platforms and drowning in repetitive tasks? Start Automation Hire today.
I'd like to order.